What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is event 1 of the 2025 season. Queen City Kayak Bass Fishing, event number 1 on Lake Norman. It's 5 a.m. We're about to head out right now. Launch is at 6:30. First cast at 6:45. Very interested to see how today goes. I only get to fish till 12. I have some other stuff going on, so really need that limit up front. Need to get out there and catch the 4 and just get a limit and secure myself at least those points. And then I definitely need to try to cull. So I found some good fish last time I was out there at this ramp, and I'm really hoping they're still there. So follow along and let's find out. Thank you, guys.
First cast at what, 6:45?
6:45, I think.
That's 6:30 right there.
6:30.
All right. Good luck, everybody.
Be safe, guys.
Stay on, buddy. Okay. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. Fish number 1, 19-incher. Fish 1. Later, buddy. Fish 2, 15 and a half. Finding the fish, just getting them to bite. My first spot was garbage, so I ended up leaving that really quick. Just been kind of slow. Yeah, I've been here all morning. I left it pretty early and kept running down the lake. Now I'm about to go back. If these don't bite right here. Okay. Hang on. That might be a good fish here. He's fighting like he is. Oh yeah, stay on, buddy. Okay. He's hitting on the lip. He might come off fairly easy. He's into that. Fish number 3, 18 3/4 toad. Still count. 11. Just 4, 13-incher. See you, buddy. Damn. Okay. First coal, y'all. 18. Thank you, man. Oh, you all right? He's gonna help y'all. Nope, 15. Better just put a bigger weight on the mare. Oh shit. Oh. Oh, there's a 17 or an 18. Last fish of the day.
All right, let's get to the real hardware. In third place, for those of you who didn't come up and see the hardware, we went with a gold, silver, bronze scheme this year. Nice metallic textured. I think it looks really good, clean cut. Tim killed it. Third place with 73 3/4. Going home with $1,445. Remember when we used to guarantee 1,000? Third place, $1,445. Mr. Cameron Saxon. Woo! I know you're excited. Yeah. Yeah, baby. That's some diapers and formula for you, too.
Yeah, for sure. Whew. All right.
You're taking a deep breath. You got a lot to say.
Yeah,
motor? Definitely.
Definitely, yeah.
You're in our
tight necks.
You're in our intro video.
Yeah, I saw that.
Okay.
Today was kind of weird. I really grinded Norman this winter. With Eric. Me and Eric went out a whole bunch this winter and just grinded it. I mean, cold, rainy, whatever. And today went out to where we had been catching them, and I had to leave at 12 today. My best friend's dad passed away, so I had to go make a funeral. So I had to make it happen quick, and by, 9 o'clock I had a limit. And I just kept upgrading
and left at 12.
Yeah, I left at 12.
So you beat all these guys in half a day.
I caught my last upgrade at 12:02.
Wow.
And I left the ramp at 12:15.
Wow.
I got booked it. But
Yeah, I'm blessed. I'm grateful for my family for letting me come out and do this because I've been, like I said, grinding. I've been on the lake a lot. So I'm grateful for Katina and Abigail for letting me have the time and space to do it. So
this is your highest finish with us, right?
yes.
Yeah. Good day to get your highest finish for $1,440.
Yeah, I'm very excited about that.
Yeah, that's awesome, man.
It'll help for sure.
Congrats. Did you say how you caught him? You didn't say.
No, it'll be on YouTube, maybe.
He's plugging himself.
Yeah, maybe. It
Shameless
might be on
plug.
YouTube. Yeah.
All right, cool.
All right.
Well, congrats, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Give it up for Cam.
Appreciate it.
What's up, guys? Finishing up the editing of this video here. I just wanted to take a second and say thank you guys for watching it this far in, and kind of want to give you a recap of the day. The areas I fished that day were all the areas I had been hitting a lot over the winter time and just consistently catching fish. So I decided to go back and check all the areas, and with me only having the ability to fish half the day, I kind of just had that NK300 at 100% and running spot to spot and just looking for bait. So it just worked out, and hopefully I can keep this trend going for the rest of the year. I'd definitely like to fish TOC again. So keep watching. I appreciate you guys for taking the time out of your day to watch my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.